In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete multiple files in Google Drive. Whether you're looking to free up some space or simply want to declutter your drive, doing this task in bulk can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps. First, you'll need to open up Google Drive. You can do this by visiting drive.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the Google account linked with the drive containing the files you wish to delete. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Now, to start selecting multiple files, you'll want to hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC. For Mac users, you'll hold down the Command key. With that key held down, go ahead and click on each file you want to delete. You'll notice each file you select becomes highlighted, indicating it's been chosen. If your files are sequentially listed and you want to select a range, there's a quicker method. Click the first file in the range, then hold down the Shift key and click the last file. This will automatically select all files in between, offering a faster way to choose multiple files at once. Once you've selected all the files you wish to delete, it's time to move them to the trash. Look towards the top right of the screen and you should see a small trash can icon. Clicking this will send all your selected files to the trash. It's important to understand, though, that this action isn't a final delete. Google Drive will store these files in the trash for 30 days before permanently deleting them. If you want to immediately free up space, you'll need to empty the trash. To do this, click on Trash in the menu on the left-hand side of your drive. In the trash folder, you'll see the files